Hey guys, my name is Damien Belak. Welcome back to my channel here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 every single week with a free CPA marketing strategy. I'm going to show you an awesome free app that you can use to drive hundreds of website visitors to your CPA marketing offers. Now this method requires only an extra 5 to 10 minutes every single day. Now once you set up this entire system, you're going to make commissions on autopilot. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Now before we get started, make sure to smash that like button below and also subscribe if you're new. This keeps me super motivated to create awesome content just like this for you. Now without further ado, let's not waste any more time and let's hop into my computer. Alright, so the first step is to head over to avplus.com. Now this is a website with hundreds, if not thousands of CPA marketing offers. Now for this video, I have decided to go with the beauty niche, but this method works with any niche online. So I'm gonna go with beauty samples, right? Now as you can see, we have over 4,000 results in the beauty niche. So there's literally thousands of offers in every single niche. And when you scroll down, and let's just do, for example, super safe beauty samples, this is $1 per lead, right? Nobody has to purchase anything. All they have to do is enter their email address. As you can see, SOI, this means single opt-in. And when you click on it, you can see, guys, that you can run this offer. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to sign up to promote this offer. So this is their registration page, and when you fill out all these details, you're automatically going to be accepted and they're going to give you the link that you can promote, right? So this is the page that you have to go to and register. Now all of this is 100% for free, so make sure to do this. So once you registered to run the offer, now you can preview the landing page. Now obviously you're going to get your own affiliate link. Now for this video, I'm going to use this link right up here, but make sure to use your affiliate link. You're gonna get it into your email inbox once you get accepted. But for this video, I'm just gonna use this one, right? Now, as you can see, this is the simple landing page, and when they click on start now, right, and fill out all of this information, okay, which samples would you like, health, beauty, just answer a couple of simple questions, you're gonna get $1. So that's awesome, guys. It's very, very easy to make $1 from these offers, right? And you only need 1,000 conversions to make $1,000. All right, so the next step is to create a simple landing page. Now, obviously, this is gonna be 100% for free as well. So head over to heylink.me. So this is a free app. Once again, everything is free. You can use this app to create a free landing page just like this. As you can see, I'm going to show you how to do that just now. So make sure to create a free account, and I'm going to log in for you guys right now. Right, so this is hey.me. I'm going to show you how to create a simple landing page. All right, so head over to appearance. Now, obviously you want to change your username. I'm going to do something like heylink.me/beauty samples, and also make sure to change your avatar and title. So all you have to do is just go to skincare, download an image like this, go back, upload it to your avatar so you have your logo and beauty samples. Now you want to scroll down and you can choose your theme, right? So if you want the blue theme like this, or you want the pink theme, right? So you want to choose a theme that you like. I'm just going to go down and choose the standard, simple, or this one. It's completely up to you guys, right? So now this is your landing page so far, but now we're not done just yet. We need to add our link. So when someone comes to this page, they can click on a link and actually convert, right? So head over to links, and as you can see, paste your link here. So once again, I'm gonna grab this link up here just for this video. Don't grab this link, you're not gonna make any commissions. Make sure to add your affiliate link, right? So you're gonna get your affiliate link once you register. So click on run this offer, register, and you're gonna get your affiliate link. So go back to heylink.me. I'm gonna paste it inside here, add new link, and now I want to customize it, right? So I'm going to change it. So let's just do get free beauty samples here, right? I'm going to upload an image, right? So make sure to go to Google and obviously add your image, make sure it fits, and click on save. All right, perfect. So this is our landing page, and now we can preview it in a new window. So go to appearance. You can just click on beauty sample, and as you can see, this is our awesome looking landing page. This works on desktop and also mobile, so this is also mobile friendly. Now, the way we're going to be promoting this link, right, this landing page, is with Instagram, obviously. So look at this, guys. This is beauty.skincare. They have 65,000 followers and they have some type of link in their bio. Now this is a Shopify link, so they're promoting some type of skincare products, but you can simply repost videos like this from TikTok or Instagram, or you can download free images from Google and upload them to Instagram just like that. Now obviously you're not going to get any followers from the start since you have a brand new account, and that's where we're going to use GrowTheBeast.io. Once again, this tool is going to help you grow your Instagram account super fast and also get leads every single day. So this tool is going to do follow and follow for you. It's going to like other users' posts, and it's going to do auto DM. So when you scroll down, you can see their pricing, and they have a free plan, 3-day free plan that you can use to test this strategy. But then again, you get full features just for $5 per month. So this is like super cheap. So this method can be done every single day by just spending $5 per month. But guys, all you have to do is download this simple where is it, guys? This simple Chrome extension. So click on available in Chrome or Mozilla. So make sure to download it to your Google Chrome. And now once you have it, go back to Instagram, and now you can see GrowTheBeast.io is up here in the left corner. And when you click on it, you can see, guys, that you can start following and unfollowing users from this Instagram account. Now, first of all, obviously you want to create your own account, beauty samples for free or something like that. Make sure to give it a name, add your logo that you can create online for free. Make sure to make your account nice looking, add your bio, and then add your link, right? A clickable link that when someone comes to your Instagram account, they can click on just like this. Yeah, and now you can purchase some of their products, or for us, we're going to be giving away free beauty samples, right? So make sure to create an Instagram account similar to this, and now you want to start targeting accounts in your niche. So since we have a beauty account, right, skincare account, health account, you want to be targeting and following users from influencers just like this. So to put it simply this way, go to a bigger account in your niche and start following their followers. So all of these people are interested in beauty products, in skincare products. So we want to start following these, liking their images, so they're going to follow us back and potentially check out our website and convert on the offer. So all you have to do when you have the extension, go to GrowTheBeast.io, click on it. Now you want to click on users followed, and now you want to do the limit. When you have a brand new account, make sure to put the limit to 40 or 50 per day, because you don't want to get your account banned on the first day. Make sure to keep it low. Don't be greedy, guys. You're gonna make it. You can make it higher in the next couple of days. Once you have your account for the week or 2 weeks, then you can start following 100 people per day. But when you have a new account, make sure to put the limit to 30 or 40 per day. Now you want to click on find targets. Right, so these are all the targets that GrowTheBeast found. Now you can filter these targets. So you don't want to be following spam accounts or accounts that are not active on Instagram. So you want to click on filter, and now you can follow accounts that have followers, at least 100 followers, or at least 200 followers. You can play around with this. You can follow accounts that are following no more than 200 people, or that are following no more than 400, 500 people. And you can follow accounts that have at least 50 posts. So this is going to give you an idea of users that are active and not just spamming other people's Instagram accounts or not following bots. So you can really play around with the targeting so you get the highest quality leads possible. Now you can follow private accounts, public accounts, verified accounts, non-verified accounts, business, non-business, recently joined accounts, or age accounts. Now what I would recommend is to follow public accounts, not business accounts, not verified accounts, because these are accounts, bigger influencers. We don't want to be targeting those. But you can keep it like this. So you want to follow public accounts, non-business accounts, recently joined accounts, aged accounts, and non-verified accounts. And now once you have all of these, filtered, you can click on apply filters to current queue, right? And then you can click on follow selected users. Now the tool is gonna follow 40 people per day for you on complete autopilot. Some of those people are gonna follow you back, check out your website, and enter your email address on your landing page, and you're gonna make $1 per lead. Now obviously this is just an example. You can choose different offers in different niches that are, that have a higher payout. But guys, this is not rocket science. Make sure to publish posts or videos or repost videos every single day. Add your hashtags, reply to comments. Basically make sure to be active on your account. If you do 3 posts per day and follow 50 users for the first week and 100 users for the second week, that's like that's like following 3,000 people per month. A good amount of those people are going to follow you back and convert on your landing page. But guys, if you want more information and you want to learn more about CPA marketing and paid advertising, then make sure to check out the school community that I launched last week. We already have 33 members, and I'm going to be increasing the price at 50 members. So right now it's only $15 per month, guys, super low price. At 50 members, I'm going to be increasing. So there's about 17 spots left. And inside you're going to find the CPA Video Academy paid traffic course, the affiliate escape plan. This is my flagship affiliate marketing course. There's almost 10 plus hours of content, all of my case studies. So if you click on classroom and you join, you can see this is the CPA Video Academy course, right? This is the CPA affiliate escape plan course. So as you can see, tons and tons of modules and lessons. Then here you can find all of my case studies. Some of them are on YouTube, some of them are not on YouTube. And I'm gonna be doing Q&A sessions here. As you can see, where we already have members asking questions. So you can send me a private message right here. I answer to everyone almost instantly. And it's only $15 per month. But this is only for people that are serious and are looking to really get started and take action. Make sure to comment what you think about this method. Are you gonna test it out? Are you not going to test it out? Have you tried this method? Please let me know. I'm really curious. And make sure to sign up to all of these websites that I showed you in this video. They're all free to use. GrowTheBeast is only like $5 per month after 3 days. So you might as well just test out this method. You never know, might be successful for you. And this is how you can change your life and start making an extra $4,000 every single month with only free traffic. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, if you did, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.